in the zone is a battle of wits to bring out the hits. Cause when I spit, others run and split. Yo, my style is unique on this hardcore beat. While we hit the streets, others obsolete. Take a back seat when we take the lead. I'd rather choose death than not be free. Fight the good fight, no matter the cost. Keep it in mind, those that we lost go against us and we'll always resist.